Hello. Today I'm going to show you a fast, simple, and effective acupuncture point to improve fertility in both men and women. The Fertility Miracle Point has been a closely guarded secret for centuries and does not show up in usual acupuncture charts. In the next few minutes, I will reveal the secret location. I will also reveal the research-tested supplement that has been shown to improve fertility in humans, cattle, and sheep. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in Acupoint Physical Medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos come out. The Fertility Miracle Point is located on your lower abdomen. To find the Fertility Miracle Point, find your belly button right here, then find the point that is the width of one hand next to that, right over here. Now find the point that is the width of 4 fingers below that, right here. Push in to find a point that is tender, sore, sensitive, or painful. That is the Fertility Miracle Point. Activate this point by rubbing the area 5 times quickly. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times, like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, it might look like this. Now find and activate the Fertility Miracle Point on the other side of your belly. According to a study appearing in the European Journal of Endocrinology is the study of glands, wheat germ oil is a biochemical complex containing many substances. Many of these substances are identified at the present time. With recent discoveries of beneficial effects of wheat germ oil on the reproductive processes in humans, cattle, sheep, and laboratory animals, as well as the effects on oxygen uptake, it appears that a reevaluation of these natural products would be in order. Fortunately, there are many sources of wheat germ oil available today. For my patients, I recommend wheat germ oil from Standard Process, 3 capsules twice a day for at least 4 months. To get Standard Process wheat germ oil capsules 20% lower than Amazon prices and to support my channel, click on the link in the description below. Now that you're on the road to a pregnancy, look at this video on how to boost your energy. I've put it here. Check it out.